Please be seated. Court will come to order.
When trial resumed this morning, the jury faced an unpleasant day. First, he'd heard from a former Florida State University co-ed, Cheryl Thomas. She survived a savage beating in a Tallahassee duplex. The same night, a year and a half ago, two Chi Omega sorority sisters died in their beds a few blocks away. Thomas, who now studies ballet at a college in Texas, said she remembers coming home from a date, going to bed, but not remembering anything more until she woke up in a hospital a few days later.
I had 5 skull fractures and multiple contusions in my head. And because of the skull fractures, the 8th nerve was damaged and I lost the hearing in my left ear and the equilibrium. And I had a broken jaw and my left shoulder was pulled out of joint. And I was just pretty bruised.
No one has ever seen the person who attacked Cheryl Thomas, but prosecutors say they have evidence that can link Ted Bundy to that crime, as well as the one at the Chi Omega house. Today, stunned jurors saw colored photographs of the two victims at the sorority house, Lisa Levy and Margaret Bowman. The size and gruesome nature of the pictures brought an immediate and prolonged argument from Bundy's lawyers, who claimed that prosecutors, in showing the pictures to the jury, were attempting to prejudice and inflame their feelings toward the defendant.
There is no fact or circumstance at issue which justifies the admission of such gruesome inflammatory photographs taken away from the scene of the crime, which show the cause of the death to the victim.
Judge Cowart allowed all but the most explicitly gory photo to be introduced into evidence. Still to come in this case, the state's star witness, who can identify Ted Bundy as the man she saw leaving the Chi Omega house the night of the murders. Frank Lynn, Newswatch 10, the Metro Justice Building.